The sum of two consecutive odd integers is negative 64. List the numbers from smallest to largest. So let's look what these words mean first. We know the sum is numbers added together. Consecutive means they're in a row, but they're odd. Okay, so that would be, for example, maybe if we had 9 would be an odd number, so the next consecutive odd number would be 11. So let's say let's let x represent 9, okay, or just any odd number, but in this case we'll say 9. How do we get x up to 11? What do we need to add to x? Well, we add 2. So we have to add 2. 9 plus 2 would be 11. This feels a little bit like counterintuitive because it's an odd number, so it feels weird that we add 2, but it still is that. To get from odd number to the next odd number, you just add 2. So this is the first, this just represents any odd number, and this can be the next odd number, okay? So now that we have this, we can say, okay, we're going to take the sum of these two numbers, these two odd numbers, x plus and then x plus 2, and those equal negative 64. Okay, so consecutive odd integers. Now we just simplify it. So we have x plus x, we get 2x plus 2 equals negative 64. We minus the 2 from each side. We want to solve that. So we get 2x equals, if we're down 64, we go down 2 more. We're going to be at negative 66. We divide by 2 on each side, so we get x equals a negative 33. So this is the first integer. So to get to the next one, we need negative 33 plus that 2. So negative 33 plus 2 is going to be negative 31. So the two consecutive odd integers are negative 31. Now it can be kind of tricky when they add up to a negative number. It might be tempting to put negative 35, but if you think if we had a number line, if we're down at negative 33, well, the next number up, the next odd number up would be negative 31. Remember, negative 35 would be further down the line. It'd be more negative. So be careful when you're doing this that when you get that negative 33, make sure you add 2 so you're getting the next consecutive odd integer. Hopefully that helps. If you're feeling confused, please reach out.